Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix unable to register in Discord. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So in this video, there are 3 steps or methods that you can do to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to check Discord status. Before doing anything, make sure that Discord servers are operational. Sometimes the issue might be on their end. Okay, so to check the Discord server status, what you need to do is to open your browser and search for discordstatus.com. Okay, as you can see that all of this are operational. Okay, except for South Africa because it is under maintenance, but there's no problem with that because I don't live on South Africa. Okay, so just go ahead and check if all of this status or server here on Discord is operational. And if it is under maintenance, you just need to wait because it might be the reason why you are experiencing this problem. Okay? And the second method is to clear browser cache. If you're trying to register through a web browser, your browser's cache might be causing issues. So try clearing your browser's cache and cookies and then attempt registration again. So to do that, click on the 3 little dots at the upper right corner of your screen, go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and select all of this and click on Clear Data. And once you've done that, just go ahead and check again if the problem has been solved. Okay, and the last thing that you can do is to check age restrictions. So Discord has age restrictions and you need to be at least 13 years old to use the platform. If you're not meeting this requirement, you won't be able to register. Okay, so if you are under 13 years old, you just need to wait until you grow older, okay? Because you cannot play a Discord when you are not 13 years old. Okay, so now if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix and able to register in Discord. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!